A particle moves from A to B for this first half of the distance with a uniform speed is v1. See here, first half of the distance with a uniform speed is v1. Next half of distance with a uniform speed is v2. Then average speed is equal to, we have to calculate. In this one, again, now I am taking two positions, A, B. It is the two position. Exactly half of the distance I am taking. This is O. O is the midpoint between the A and B. O is the midpoint between the A and B. Now OA is equal to OB. If total distance if you taken as a S, OA distance is S by 2 and OB distance is the S by 2, because we are dividing that AB as into the two equal parts. To AB we are dividing into the two equal parts with a midpoint O, isn't it? OA is equal to OB, that is equal to S by 2. And the vehicle it is moving with a speed, the car it is moving with a speed A to O with a distance A to O with a uniform speed is V1. O to B, it is moving with a speed, it is V2. O to B, it is moving with a uniform speed, it is V2. Now what is the average velocity we have to calculate? For this one, we need it is time interval also. A to O, the time interval taken it is T1. O to B, time interval taken it is T2. A to O, time interval is T1. O to B, time interval is T2. Now average speed is equal to, we have to calculate. What is formula average speed? Average speed is equal to total distance by total distance divided by total time taken. Total distance by total time. Total distance divided by total time. Now what is the total distance? Total distance. Average speed is equal. Total distance means A to O plus O to B, OB, that is total distance. AO is equal to OB, and this total distance is nothing but a AO plus OB, that you can write as a, see here from here to here, that is equal to AB distance, isn't it? Okay. Time interval A to O time interval is T1 and O to B time interval is T2. O to B time interval is T2 we taken, isn't it? So total distance is equal to S. Total distance is equal to S. Here A to B total distance is S I have written, and time T1 and time T2 is equal to, we have to substitute those equations. This is equation number 1. That is equation number 1. We know very well time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. Now I am writing A to O distance. Time interval is T1. A to O time interval is T1. That is equal to distance. A to O distance is S by 2. Distance is S by 2. And speed A to O, it is maintained uniform speed is V1. So that is V1. We can write S divided by 2V1. And next one, O to B we are taking. O to B. So O to B if you take it. Now time T2. See here O to B time interval is T2. Now the time is equal to distance by speed. What is the distance? Here O to B distance is nothing but a S by 2. That is S by 2 divided by, what is the speed from here to here? That is V2. We are taking, that is speed is V2. T2 is equal to S by 2V2. That is equation number 3. Now substitute. This is equation 2 if you take it. Substitute equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1. Substitute equation 2, equation 3 in equation 1. At that moment average speed is equal to total distance S divided by time T1. T1 is nothing but a equation 2. So T1 is equal to S by 2:1. Substituting this one, S by 2:1 2V1 plus time T2 is equal to, time T2 is nothing but a equation 3. That equation 3 is equal to S divided by 2V2. That if you substitute S by 2V2. Now in this one I am taking common is, I want to take the common S Yes, if I take the common 1 by 2 v1 plus 1 by 2 v2, then SS get cancelled, SS get cancelled. What is the LCM here? LCM is average speed is equal to, I can write this equation, it is average speed is equal to 2 v1 v2. LCM is nothing but a 2 v1 v2. Here 2 v1 is there, but v2 is not there. So here v2 will come, plus here 2 v2 is there, 2 v2 is there, not v1. So here v1 will come, and this denominator goes to numerator. Finally you can write the equation, it is average speed is equal to 2 v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. 2 v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. So in this fourth option is the correct one. Fourth option is correct one. And I want to extend this problem somewhat. What is the average velocity if you want to calculate? Means along the straight line average speed is equal to average velocity. So along the straight line average speed is equal to average velocity means this is only average velocity at that moment. Average velocity also we can get same answer, 2 v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. In the previous problem for round trip, for round trip, average velocity is equal to 0. Average speed is equal to, we got 2 v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2.